have your camera on, cats want to be silly, but when it's off, they don't. Really? Hashtag this is gonna be in the next cute kitty things, so. Yeah, I'm playing over there. You having fun? He acts like that every time I turn the camera on. He's going in there now. I don't know what's up. The camera makes him do that. It's funny. Probably nervous or something. Xbox is turned off. By the way, this was in the garage. Just kidding, it was in my bedroom. And I never used it, so I just hooked it up in here. You can tell it's still dusty. See all that dust on there? I haven't used it in so long, there's dust on it. Well, I'm happy. Man, 30 subscribers. But why do cats do that in front of cameras? Tell me in the comments, why do they do that? Maybe nerve-wracking or something? Nerves? Scared of a camera?